Doon ka sa likod. Oh, Jelana, go there at the back so I can see it coming down. Okay, go. Okay, one more. I didn't see it. Again. Okay, game. Okay, again. Oh, where do you put the plant ni yung mga plant? Dito ata mother sa tuktok mga ganyan ni. Where you put those plant? Diyan. Jelana, where do we put the plant? There you go, Grandma. Put the plants now. Oh, the dog's there? Oh, the sticker. That the sticker. She had a sticker. Ca- Can you have Daddy do the stickers though? Oh, here. We need a sticker here. Oh, ano, yung mga sticker dito ni, ay wag, ano yung mga sticker ni, saan nilalagay dito? Ito lalagyan natin ng sticker parang TV ba yan? Oh, the book. Busy na. Yeah mo na. You did it right though. You did good job. Yeah, you did good job. Mother, ikaw nalagyan ng sticker mo dito na eh. Dito. Anong ilalagay mo dyan ng sticker? See? Pwede yan libro. Kunyari libro. Yan. Sa gitna. Dilana, as the sticker, open the sticker with Grandma. Do you know how to open it? Yeah. Ay, dito sa gilid kaya. Now get the book. The book one. The book one. In the middle. Mm. Next, what's next? You want that one? Oh, you can put the love. This one, love. See the purple one, no? Is it taller than you? You got an elevator. Whoa. You got an elevator, anak. Look at the elevator. Put your girls in the elevator now. Where's the picture for the sticker? Ay, ito mother ni picture ng mga sticker. Mm. Wow, Jelana, that's huge. Mm, I know this. Wow. That's a huge one, Jelana. Pwede niya elevator. Yeah. Okay, pizza, put it there so don't lose those toys. Remember, you don't lose those toys. Uh, thank you, Dad. Okay. Saan mo na ilalagay yung urong na yan? Saan mo ilalagay yan? Ang Diyos ko, ang laki.